Hey everybody, this is the investing teacher, high school science teacher, teaching others how to invest. On 9/13/2022, I want to go over the reasoning before the recommendations for MA stock. So we're looking at a October 21st, 2022, 285 and 280 strike. Let's share the screen real quick. We're looking for October 21st, 285, going to sell that put, buy the 280 put. And the naturals at 0.28, the mids at 0.37. Should be able to get around 0.3 or possibly more. So if you get filled at 0.3, you're looking at a 6% return in a little over a month, which is a good return for a relatively low delta. Right now we're at 0.1 delta. Look at the chart pattern here. So this is the last 3-month chart. This horizontal line I drew was the strike price of the low, doing red. You can see in the last 3 months, we haven't gotten very close to it. The low is 303.65. It's a bit of a downturn in the market today, but currently it's at 330.48. So you have quite a bit of cushion here in order to get to that 285 strike price. RSI is hovering at the middle, moving slightly downward, but it's not near the low already. So there's not a massive underselling or overbought at this point. And looks like it's a good overall return. So if you're interested, again, sell your 285 put, buy the 280 put. Try to get at least 0.3. If you get a little bit less, it's still okay. I think you get 0.26 and still be perfectly adequate with that trade.